Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm so excited. I actually got my next Boxy pop-up haul in the mail. Woohoo! So I'm going to be unboxing that for you guys today. If you guys like unboxing videos, specifically makeup unboxing videos, then feel free to subscribe to my channel because I do lots of makeup unboxing hauls here. We do lots of makeup subscription unboxes. We do makeup hauls. We talk about everything beauty and makeup related. If that's something you like, then please feel free to subscribe. Alrighty, so it's funny because I got this pop-up haul really fast, and literally like just last week I got my Boxy pop-up for the month of May in June. But the June one I got fast, so I don't know what was going on with the shipping, but nevertheless I'm so happy that I got this so fast. I always do my hauls and I don't even remember what I bought in them. But I guess we'll find out together. It's probably more stuff that I definitely don't need. But, you know, who could resist a good sale? I know I can't. So let's see what I got. Alright, so the boxes always come in this like plain little box. Like so. They don't send it like in a Boxycharm box. But let's see what I got. Alright, so lately they've been giving these little type of papers. Let's see, I'm so excited. Alright, let me dig in here and see what I got. Alright, what's this? Oh, there's no lid. There better be a lid in here for this. Okay, the lid was open. Okay, but try not to be upset. The lid was, I guess the lid must have opened in here, so it has like a little ding inside. Hopefully that's from the product from the box and not from somebody else. But I'm going to show you what it looks like. If you guys can see, there's like a little ding in there. And I haven't even used it yet. Can I ever win? But anyway, in case you guys didn't know, I love the pharmacy makeup removals. I first got this one. Where did I get this from? I got this, I think, as a Boxy pop-up as well. They had this on sale. So I bought this one, which I love the smell of this. But I heard the cherry one smells good. So I recently saw that this was... The last time they had this on sale, by the time I woke up, it was already sold out. I think I slept in late that day. You know, during quarantine, we have some late, nights and late days. So I missed that one, but this one, I set my alarm and I was able to get this one. I heard it smells really good, so I'm going to smell it for the first time on camera. I thought it would have smelled more. I feel like this one, you can smell it more than this one. I do smell a slight cherry, but if anything, I feel like this one smells more than this one. And everyone was saying that this smelled so good. I don't know if maybe because the lid's been off of this for a very long time. I don't know. Maybe the scent faded, but honestly, I don't even think I really smell anything at all. But nevertheless, this is the size. So they're both, is this both 100 ml? Yep, 100 ml. So let me show you side by side. I'm going to cover this up. Is a spatula even in here at least? Alright, let me see if there's a spatula in here. Okay, the spatula is inside the box. So I found the spatula. So I will say that they didn't send this in a box. And I like when things are in a box because then probably this would have never happened. This would have never been open. I don't know if this was contaminated, if anyone touched it, licked it, who knows. When you get these things, normally they come in a box. This is, as you guys can tell, I don't even need this or this because I have all of these already. But I had got this in my Trend Mood box. They gave us the smaller size of 50 ml. But I just love this stuff so much. I'm like, I got to get it while they have it. I actually bought 2 of them. I still didn't finish this one. I didn't even start this one yet. And now I bought an extra one of this. What is the matter with me, guys? Can somebody please tell me what is the matter with me? I don't know. I have, what do you call it? FOMO, fear of missing out. That like I'm not going to be able to get it again. So I always like to have doubles and triples and quadruples of things that I like. So as you can see, I just pulled this one out the box. Can you hear this? The lid's not secure. It's shaking because the lid's not secure. That's what it sounds like when the lid is secure. Do you hear anything? Exactly, because it's closed now. But that's because they don't close it tightly. So nevertheless, these were 80% off. So I bought 2 of them because 2 is always better than 1. All right, so I think I'm all set with my makeup removers for a while. I think I'm good. So those were the first 2 things that I bought. The next thing, I had to take everything out the box to find that spatula. I guess I don't know what was in here. I guess this was in here. Everything just got discombobulated in the box. So the next thing I got is the Ciate London Confetti Highlighter. I think this was in one of the Boxycharm boxes as well. I feel like a lot of the stuff in the Boxy Pop-Up is stuff that they had, that if you missed out, you can still buy it on sale. Please don't be broken, please. Oh, it looks, I don't know. Let me be positive. Positive vibes. Positive vibes. Let me get my crystals. My positive vibes. Positive vibes. All right, back to the video, back to the video. All right, let's be positive. It's not broken. It looks like it is, but let's be positive. All right, so this is the packaging. It has stuff all over it. So that's why I'm saying it looks like it's broken. And there's like some stuff on the inside, if you can see. So, I don't know. We're about to find out together. Let's see. Let me close my eyes. It's broken. I don't think it's supposed to come. Is it supposed to come loose? All right. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's loose. See, some of them is in my hand. Look at this. Is this supposed to come like this? It's loose. I don't know if it's supposed to come like this or not. So I don't know if it's broken or not. I have to like, yeah, no, this is definitely broken. I was trying to be positive. You see, I was trying. But nevertheless, this is what I ordered. Let me, and it looks like so. This was the color Confetti. All right, oh, my hands are all. All right, so the next thing I got is the Life's a Drag palette. If this is broken,
I'm gonna be really, 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 really upset.
So please don't be broken. Everybody pray with me for a second that this palette is not broken. Please don't send me 2 things broken, because one was broken, which means they probably flung this box around. But I'm just going to have a moment of silence for this palette. Give me 1 second, please. All right, here we go. Let's open it. The moment of truth. The moment of truth. This is hard to open. I'm like struggling to open this box. All right, there we go. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, Life's a Drag. Ooh. I don't see any debris or anything on the outside or on this beautiful packaging. So I think we may be in the clear, guys. We may be in the clear, which I'm excited about. All right, so let's see. It's not broken. Woo-hoo. It's not broken. Woo-hoo. All right, only one broken. I guess beggars can't be choosers, huh? All right, so I always cover the mirror, but this is what the palette looks like. Whoop, the slip just fell out, but look how pretty. Ooh. I do not own anything from the Lunar Beauty collection. The Lunar Beauty collection is Manny MUA. He's also a YouTuber, a very popular YouTuber on YouTube, and he has like his own makeup line. And it's from, so this is from Lunar Beauty. All right, and then it comes with a brush, which is nice. because some palettes don't come with the brush. This is actually a good quality brush that they gave you. You got a nice little blender brush, and then they have a standard eyeshadow brush. So I like this because, like, if you're traveling and you're in a rush and you don't want to carry, like, you know, your brushes with you, I like that this brush is already in here. Wow, this palette is a beautiful, like, I'm big on packaging. And I absolutely love the packaging on this. Like, this is just wow, 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 wow. It reminds me of, like, if you're a painter, like the little painting axle where you, like, dip in your little watercolor thing to paint. It reminds me of that a little bit. But so pretty, so pretty. Can't wait to try this out. So, that was it. That was it for my Boxy pop-up. It was short and cute, so you got a nice short and cute video for today. I got a lot of stuff in the first one, so this was just the stuff that I didn't see that I wanted to still get. So overall, I am happy with my package. I'm just looking at this box. I even love that there's like a little crown on Life's a Drag, because I always say I'm a princess. So I'm happy. I'm happy. A little bummed that this is broken. A little bummed that one of these has like a little ding on it. It's probably because it was open in the box. A little bummed that they don't put these in boxes. I think I get it that, like, I guess sometimes they get everything in bulk and they just ship it, but I feel like everything should always come in a box for hygiene purposes, especially with what's going on right now and the situation we are in with this whole pandemic going on. Hygiene is always key, so I think the more everything is packaged safely, the less you have to worry about, you know, cross-contamination and contamination. Like, you just never know. If something's in a box, at least no one touched it on the inside. But, like, who knows how many people touched this and going into, you never know. So, and I'm a germophobic. So these are the things that that ramble in my head as a germophobic. Did somebody touch it? Did somebody lick it? Obviously nobody licked it. I'm just joking. But I'm just saying, like, these are the things that go through my head. But this is it. This was my beautiful little pop-up haul. That is it. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked my video that I just did today, if you like pop-up hauls, if you like hauls in general, if you just like my channel in general. I appreciate any type of love that you guys want to give me. I'll take what I could get. If you guys want to give me a subscribe, hit me with a subscribe. If you guys want to leave me a comment, I'll take a comment. Whatever you guys want to get me, I appreciate the love. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.